5 years ago, I was writing code as a software developer. Today, I'm working as a product manager in a US based company building product used by millions of users. But this is not the interesting part. Here, I didn't even know what product management was. In this video, I will be sharing my complete journey from being computer science student, then how I become software developer, then how I switched to product management. So, like many people in tech, my journey started with computer science engineering, web development, maybe some Python coding, and even in my graduation undergrad, I was learning machine learning at that time. That wasn't that the AI was not that much uh, popular at the time. After completing my undergrad, I joined a company as a software developer and worked there for around 1.5 years. My daily work was mostly like writing code, fixing bugs, implementing some new features, XYZ. But at that time, something always made me curious. There was a guy who tells us what should be built, how it should be built, and who is going to use it. The users of that features or that particular product. So that role fascinated me. So that role was like product management or product manager. I started observing the product managers in my company. They were constantly talking to customers, understanding their problems, prioritizing the features, working with the engineering team or the design team. And I realized something important. Developers build the product, but the product manager decide what product should be built. I want to be in that group. I believe I had good business acumen at the time. That curiosity pushed me to start learning more about product management, startups, building user-centric products. So by this time, after 1.5 years, I was sure that I wanted to be product manager, someone who is going to take decision about the product. But I was not sure how to become a product manager. Either I should do MBA. I was reading some article that you have to be, you should have MBA degree from good IIMs, and only you will get a job like that. Or maybe some if you are engineer, like 10 year, you have completed 10-year experience, then you will get an opportunity to be a product manager. So that was the thing. But luckily I got an opportunity from IIIT, and I got admission through Gate channel, and I got admission in IIIT Hyderabad. Not just product management, so design was also part of that. So they call that MTech in product design and management. This program completely changed how I think about technology and products. Instead of just coding, we learned things like design thinking, user research, product strategy, business fundamentals, marketing and accounting. So these were all the parts. There I built some product as well, gaming products and digital products. But that was the first time I understood that building a successful product is not just about technology, it's about solving real human problems. So during the course, uh, I got an internship offer from a company called Loyalytics. So I was a product manager intern and I worked for around 10 months there as on remote. Uh, Also during IIIT, we one of the exciting moments during that program was participating in Google hosted hackathon at Indian School of Business ISB. Our team worked on solving a real world product problem, and we built a product in just 24 hours, and our team was selected in top 12. That experience gave me a lot of confidence that I was moving in the right direction. So after 2 years during the placement, I got an offer from this US based company where they worked in tax and compliance space. And so what I do as a product manager today. So today my job is not to write code. My job is to understand user problem, defining product strategy, working with engineering design teams and as well as marketing team to to be part of GTMs, prioritizing features, and make sure we build product that actually deliver value to users. So in simple terms, a product manager sits at the intersection of technology, business, and users. So my journey from software developer to product manager taught me that careers are not always linear. Sometimes curiosity can take you to unexpected places. If you are interested in knowing about more about product management, building startups or creating tech products, you can always DM me directly on LinkedIn, or you can email me. So I will be sharing more insight about about product management, how product manager can be are going to be very important role in the next 10 to 15 years. Thanks for watching.